you have your account set up. It is time for you to create your very first estimate. Step 1. Create a new estimate. Begin by clicking the Create New Estimate button. The first step is to fill in your customer data. You'll need to select whether the customer is an individual or a company. If this is a regular customer, you can add them to your client list for faster use in the future. Just click Select Client, then Add Client. Once added, the client will appear in the Select Client menu next time you create an estimate. This works for both individuals and companies. If you don't want to save the customer as a regular client, simply fill in the fields below. Only a few are mandatory, so you can decide how much information to include. When ready, click Continue. Step 2. Vehicle Details. Next, fill in the vehicle information. Only brand, model, and registration are mandatory, the rest are optional. You can also add comments or photos of the vehicle for more detail. Once you've completed this step, move on to Step 3. Step 3. Add damage. Now, it's time to add the damage details. Use the car visualization tool to select the panel you want to assess. Simply click on the panel that needs to be evaluated. If you're using a mobile device, you can access the PDR lamp functionality by tapping the button in the top right corner. Before you start adding information, choose the pricing model you want to use, either standard pricing, based on size and quantity, or work points, based on time. For this example, we'll use the standard pricing model. Enter the number of dents and their respective sizes. If there are multiple sizes, add them as separate rows. If the panel is aluminum, you can toggle the aluminum switch to automatically apply the price increase you set earlier in your account settings. The same applies to push-to-paint and damage type options. If disassembly is required, you can add that cost by entering it in the corresponding field. All prices are fully editable, meaning you can adjust them up or down as needed. If you want to flag this panel for later review, toggle the reserved button at the top. When you're done assessing the panel, click Save. You'll now see the added assessment listed below. You can always edit it later by clicking the pen icon, or delete it if needed. Step 4. Using work points. Now, let's select a different panel. This time, we'll evaluate it using the work points model. First, choose AW. Then, estimate how many work points this panel will require. Once you've added the number of points, write a description of the task, for example, PDR, and press the plus button. All other features work exactly the same way as in the standard pricing model. You can freely switch between the two models, whichever fits best for each panel. Step 5. Add extra services. After you've assessed all the vehicle's damages, you can still add extra services. For example, if you'll also be doing body polishing in addition to dent repairs, click Add Line Item and enter the service here. Step 6. Summary. When you're done assessing the vehicle and adding all services, click Continue. You'll now see the summary page for your estimate. All the information you entered so far will appear here for review. If your client has an affiliate code, you can apply it by clicking Set Code. You can also provide a discount, either by setting a final price or by entering a percentage discount directly. When everything looks good, click Save Case. Step 7. Managing and sharing the case. Your new case is now added to your CRM. To share the summary with your client, go to the Case menu and select Summary. Inside the summary, you'll see an overview of the estimate. Click Make Shareable. This will generate a shareable link. Then click Copy URL to copy the link. Your client can view the summary without needing a ClearPanel account. You can also scroll to the bottom and download it as a PDF. If you decide to stop sharing access, just click Stop Sharing. The link will be disabled until you make it shareable again. Step 8. Editing the estimate. Even after saving, you can go back and edit the estimate at any time. Just click Edit inside the summary, or use the Edit button in the case settings on your dashboard. And that's it, your first estimate is complete. You can now move forward with your work, confident that your pricing and client details are organized and ready. Welcome to the heart of ClearPanel, where every estimate is clear, precise, and professional.